Today I will be using Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. So I'm gonna see how that does on this very 4C thick hair. All right, so if you wanna see how that turns out, stick around. Hey YouTube, what's good? It's your girl Naturally Empress Maddie, and I am just coming in to let you guys know that I am starting on freshly washed hair. I'm doing a ton of detangling because my hair was matted from the night before. And I'm also doing the LCO method, which is leave-in, cream, and oil. Other than that, this is my prep, and now let's get into the style. All right, so the product that I'm using to do my styling today is Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, a super soft gel. The best darn super soft gel, period. It says, excellent for wash and go, people who want popping curls without the crunch, your shiniest, smoothest, sexiest curls yet. I'm gonna try this out, and the way that I saw someone using this was to basically just slap it on their hair, brush it down, brush it down, brush it down, make sure that it's straight, and then let the curls just like pop up on their root. So full disclosure, that person had 4A/4B hair. And I bought it with the hopes that I'll get slight curl definition, but do I believe it? The instructions say for daily use, evenly distribute a cap full or more to damp, freshly washed, conditioned, and detangled, all me, hair. Spread a generous amount until you have good coverage. Make sure you scrunch the hair to encourage curl. No, I'm not scrunching. Like, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna try this now. I'm nervous. And I got reinforcements because I don't know what's about to happen. So I have my Denman-like brush. This is actually the Evolve brush, which is pretty cool because you can remove this section of it. Can I remove it though? Girl. See how I just moved it? You can take it out and then it opens up. See the crack in it? And then you can remove each bristle and you can clean it. It reminds me of a Denman brush, so I hope that it's okay on my hair. Ooh! Okay, so it just takes a little bit of slow. You gotta go slow. Cause initially I was like, this is ripping my hair out, but it's not. Oh, did you hear that crack? Ooh. This is my hard brush, which is super old. You can see it's losing its color. Evolve. I think that they're both from Evolve, but this one I've had longer. So I don't know if this is a wash and go. I guess you could consider it a wash and go because I just washed my hair. I'm about to put this gel in, I'm about to go. So let's just do it. I'm gonna be looking at my mirror more now because that's what I should be looking at. In order, ooh, but listen. Look. I just opened it up, which they have the big bottle of this too. I think this was like $1.97 at Walmart. And I haven't seen too many 4C girls try it out. So this is what it looks like. It's a clear gel. I'm gonna take a little bit. She says a cap full. I don't have a cap. So I'm gonna go in with that much to begin with. I mixed it around and let's put it in there. Okay. I saw that they were like brushing it down, like straight down. Okay, I tried it. I just need to keep going because it's looking like a mess. It's a mess. I already know it's a mess. I'm just gonna be brave and just put it everywhere and not care. I think I'm gonna brush it back. I just want it to be back because at the end of the day, I'm about to leave the house in a second because I need a few things. It's gonna have to go. It's gonna have to be a wash and freaking go. So the pack's almost out. And I feel like I need another pack. All right, so let's see if we can. Okay. Right. I don't trust that. Okay. So I'm alternating between my brush and my comb because the goal on this channel is actually length retention. I have no idea why recording is so difficult for me today. First, my dog is barking, then I keep dropping all of my tools, now my light won't stay on. But anyway, I am just continuing to brush my hair back and comb it back, brush it back, comb it back, brush it back, just to try to make it lay. Does it look like it's laying? It doesn't really seem so, but I'm just trying to get it all back, and that is what I'm gonna do until I feel satisfied. Oof. Lord, somebody help me. This was not meant for 4C hair, was it? It's not looking like it, Miss Jessie. It's not. It's not. But I'm gonna smooth it all out. Smooth it all out. Some curls are trying to come through, but they're not gonna look good. Okay, do you see that? Some curls trying to come through. Like, look at this. Okay, Miss Jessie. This is the part that has me the most nervous. You're supposed to take your rat tail comb and you're supposed to like go through it. And then when you pick it up, it should be curly. Yep, I just said a prayer, but let's do it. I look ridiculous right now. This is absurd. And I don't have a pick yet. Oh, there's a tangle. You guys see that? That tangle? Oh God, this is bad. This is very bad. Oh my word. Yeah, Miss Jessie, I don't think that you meant this for my type of hair. It's cool. So I think I am going to put Miss Jessie's super soft curls on hold. Do you guys see like the catastrophe on my head? What is going on here? Where am I washing and going? Like, where am I washing and going? Where? You know what? Wash and go done. Guys, this is bad. Wait, should I be doing like the swirling method? Is that where I went wrong? Should I be like going like that? I don't know if that works on me either. I feel like that's just tangling my hair again. Oh, wait a second. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, see, this is a whole mess. Can you help a 4C girl out? This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. Like, I will say that my hair is like crazy soft. Like, it's so soft. It feels so moisturized. But I have like no definition. Yep, that's exactly how it's going with my hair today. Exactly how it's going with my hair today. All right, well, this is it. This is what I'm working with. It's cool. We'll just do a little pat pat. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and then I will come back and show you guys the final product. I'm just gonna sit. I'm just gonna Woo, girl. This struggle today, so real. Like, never ever have I seen a struggle so real today. All right, so I'm gonna leave it alone now. I'm gonna let it do its thing, and then I will be back with the final product. All right, guys, so this is the final look. They actually came out better than I thought that they would. All right, so I laid my edges with the Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges. And if you guys are on Instagram, I'm quite sure that you've seen this. My hair actually likes it, but if you put on too much, it does leave like a white residue. So you just have to make sure that you put it on correctly and then don't add too much.
Guys, I was being really nice. It always turns white no matter how much you rub, no matter how much you add.
Will get white on you, even though they say that it don't, but it does, so. Anywho, this is my hair, the Jelly Soft Curls. This product actually has my hair really, really soft. I cannot knock that at all. So soft and it's so touchable. Even though you shouldn't touch it, it's so touchable. But it wasn't exactly what I thought it was going to be, but I do like the way that my hair feels. And she did not kid around when she said that it was going to be soft curls. Like, they're so soft. My hair is legit soft. Okay, this is the final look. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been fun. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.